Hey guys, Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here, and today is just another daily vlog video of me using this Canon SL2 camera. Now right now I'm actually holding it with one of those little small tripods. So again, my name's Mike, this is Budget Tech Reviews, and we are just doing a vlog video. So this is just gonna be a daily thing when I have a day off from work. If you guys don't follow me or have followed me already in the past, this is just a small video or a quick video, maybe a little couple-minute video on how this camera performs. And again, I'm holding this in my hand, so if it's shaking, excuse that. You can see here my cat is over here in the background chilling on my desk. You can see my two monitors over here. His name's Cheetah. And he fell. Okay, so anyway, again, just another quick video of daily use of the camera. You know, right now I have everything set up on automatic settings. So right now I'm kind of in a low light situation where I'm just there's just a small lamp in the background on, so the light quality probably isn't that great. Right now I'm just using the kit lens. I feel like my face is starting to blur out a little bit. I don't know if that's the kit lens itself or whatever, or if it's because I have so much stuff in the background. But basically, here, let me see if I can get up and see if that'll help out. But anyway, so there we go. So again, this is just a quick video of the Canon SL2 vlogging style. Yeah, and I don't know what's going on. I feel like it's autofocusing the belt back here. But again, right now I have everything on automatic setting mode. So everything that you see here, again, the lighting, everything, the microphone, the sound of this camera is just the camera itself. I haven't adjusted any settings. This is automatic mode. So I didn't change the ISO. I didn't change the blur effect or anything like that. So again, if you guys are interested in purchasing this camera, I highly recommend it, especially if you're just starting out and you have the money to invest in a good camera. This is more of a beginner DSLR, but anyway, going from there, let's get to the day. So, all right, so again, this is just a typical day off, and I'm actually leaving my house. So as you can see here, the brightness levels, etc., have changed, and I'm actually going to lock my doors. So let's see if I can actually get this going. All right, make sure it's locked. Alright, so walking to the car, and you know, again, we're kind of in a not a super sunny day, but a day where, you know, it's a little cloudy outside. So let me do that. Let's go ahead and get inside the car real quick so we can get better lighting. Okay, just kidding. Might have to adjust the seats. There you go. So again, we're in the car. My dog's in the passenger seat. Hey, say hi, Coco. So we're gonna get rolling. I'm actually gonna go to my parents' house to do some laundry, guys. So let's check that out, okay? All right, I'm going to my favorite pizza place here.
No, Caesar's, I'm helping.
Yeah, can I get the lunch combo?
Anything else there with your order? Any tips?
No, thank you.
Rough fortune, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, pizza gotten, Little Caesars. Now we're back on the road. All right, so we have arrived to the parents' house over here, and right now my dog's going nuts because she wants to get out and go play. So I'm gonna go ahead and let her out because my parents do have dogs. Go, 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 go. So she's gonna go running up the house there. But anyway, guys, again, I just drove from my house to my parents' house, and I'm actually considering buying a new tripod or something to hold this camera with, because the neck on this thing is just really loose, or there's no way for me to tighten it. So I might actually go to Best Buy later to buy one of those Joby tripods that I've seen going around for a lot of content creators that use that tripod. And again, it's some action YouTubers that use this tripod, but the one I got came with this camera, unfortunately, and it's just kind of a generic tripod that I use. So again, this one that I'm holding right now, it's a Vivitar, and I'm holding it with my hand. It's not bad, but again, there's times where the camera just kind of, you know, it swirls off, and I don't like it doing that, like what it did right now. So I might actually go buy a tripod later, so we'll see how that goes, guys. But again, I'm at my parents' house. and we'll see how today goes, guys. All right, guys. So you know how I said I was going to buy a tripod? Well, I'm actually here at Best Buy. Just showed up, so we'll see how it goes. Again, I'm gonna look to see what they have. I might not walk out with anything today, so let's see how it goes. At purchasing a tripod today, but not because I didn't want one, just because basically the tripod that I want to get is about $80, and that's just way out of my price range right now. So I think I'm probably going to try finding a cheaper alternative. But anyway, let's show some B-roll of some dogs here. Alright guys, so I just got back, finished doing my errands, finished going to Best Buy, finished getting B-roll of dogs. Now again, this is just a little vlog video that I wanted to do so you guys can kind of see again what the SL2, the Canon SL2 has to offer as far as day-to-day video quality. Now again, everything that I shoot is in automatic mode. I have not changed any settings, none of the aperture, none of the ISO. So everything that you see here on the camera is basically on automatic, so it changes on its own. I'm not doing anything. The only thing that looks good to me on the screen here is the face auto tracker, that it's following my face as I'm moving the camera. So again, I guess guys, this will be it for today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And again, if you guys are interested in the Canon SL2, I'll also shoot links down below in the video so you guys can check that out. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up to show that you guys care. And as always, if you like my channel, please subscribe, guys. We'll see you next time.